welcome back to Simple Detail. Back in the garage, I got some new tools to show you. Some new air tools for interior detailing. And we'll see how they work on my floor mats. I haven't cleaned them in a while, so this will be a good opportunity to try them out. And let's get started with that. So here are my floor mats. This is my driver's side, passenger side out of my Tucson. And yeah, they've been beat up, to put it lightly. So I got a lot of salt, mud, sand. So this will be a good opportunity to use these new air tools to see how they work. So the material is, it's like a carpeted, it's a carpeted material. Let's just say that. Kind of like the sound editing material that they put into fender wells. What I like about them is that compared to the WeatherTech mats, these don't slip. So I do have these foot pads here to rest my feet where they don't wear, so they don't wear through the carpeting. But I like them because that when your feet are wet, or not on your feet, if your feet are wet or shoes are wet, you don't slip and slide inside the car. So I like that, and they're fairly simple to clean. I usually rinse them off, but in this case I'm going to use the air tools to clean them out. So let's show you what they look like. So here are the tools I recently picked up. They are Tornador air tools. What makes them special is that they have a nozzle. So inside the tip here, there's a nozzle that rotates, that spins the air, and this particular one siphons water out of the container and blows it out the nozzle, also causing it to agitate the surface. So we'll try that out onto the mats. So this one has water injection. This one is just a regular blowout tool. So this one has a nozzle that spins in there as well. And the third one is a foaming Tornador. So this one will shoot foam onto a surface. So you put your soapy solution in here, or all-purpose cleaner, whatever you need to foam up, and it'll foam onto the surface. And then the last thing, which is very special to me, is an Analan pet hair remover. So I got this from Serrano's Mobile Detailing, and I'm gonna open it up and see what it looks like. So this was a part of a giveaway that Carlos was having on his YouTube channel, so go follow him on his channel, Serrano's Mobile Detailing, as I do a live unboxing. Let's see what we got. Very nice. Oh yeah. And there we go. Serrano's Mobile Detailing. So thank you, Carlos, for letting me choosing me on your giveaway. So I've never used a pet hair remover. I've always resorted to using the crevice tool on my vacuum to basically scrape up the hair and vacuum it up. So this has special teeth on each side. So this is a coarse teeth, fine teeth, and a medium teeth. So for different lengths of hair, I suspect the finer the teeth are, the finer the hair you can get out, and then the coarser the teeth, the more coarse they are. So it's like a rubber edge, and you hold it with your hands inside, your fingers inside there to grab it, and then you scrape it along the carpeting. So I'll try that out. I don't have any pets in my car, I guess, fortunately, so I don't have an opportunity to try this out. I'll figure out a way to demonstrate it when I find a car that has a lot of pet hair. So let's get on to cleaning the car mats. Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate with the regular Tornador air tool. So I got it connected to the air compressor right now. So if I press the trigger Hopefully I'll pick it up here. There. So I'm gonna do it on one half of the carpet. See how that works. So let's clean off half the carpet here. So I managed to blow out a good chunk of it. The carpet is still wet because I was in the car earlier, but it did clean up from here to here. Took out a good layer of dirt there. So I got the water injected Tornador. Now this has a metal tip on the inside, so it should be more concentrated when it's spinning. It's hard to focus on this, sorry. So we'll give that a shot, see how it goes. Inside the container there's O&R. I got it filled up at the 256:1 dilution, so 1/2 ounce per gallon. And let's try it out. Alright, so with the water injection, it actually did a pretty good clean. So I did use a microfiber to mop up the moisture. So if I bring it up to the camera, that's just some stuck on stuff I gotta scrub out, but no, it's a pretty good clean surface. O&R does a great job in the interior. So for the next tool, it's the foamer, and I'm going to do foam on the left side, so let's try that out. Alright, that's a lot of foam. I used all-purpose cleaner in that at a very light dilution. I think it was like 20:1, and that's a lot of foam. So what I'm going to do is brush it in and then blow it out. Alright, so here are the results after 1 hour washing the one side and then using foam and a brush and then blowing out the left side. Would that be the way I do it all the time? Not really. I would generally just rinse it off with a pressure washer or just a regular hose and then let them air dry. This is actually the first time they've been deep cleaned that much. I usually vacuum it out and rinse it off just to get the salt off, and then take care of it in the spring when it's warmer and let them dry in the sun. But just wanted to try out the tools, see how they worked. I would usually go for this tool because it's lightweight. You don't have the tank to carry around to blow out interior, so under the seats, in between the seats, or in tight gaps like where the inside of a van where the seats click into. So into the seat latches, I would blow those out. So in tight spaces, this will help get the majority of the dirt out, and then you vacuum up the rest. So that's how I'd use those tools. The water injection one, I'm quite a fan of. I would say it's 2 tools in one. So you get your water to rinse and then your air to agitate. So I would use this for stains in the seats or in the doors, kick panels where people step into the car, and it would help, you know, blow it out and rinse it out at the same time. the foamer, I'm actually surprised of how much foam you get in such a light dilution. So I would be most likely using this on the outside, maybe for fender wells, in the engine bay, if I don't have access to my pressure washer, which you don't want to get too much water in the engine bay, you just want to get some foam in there to agitate. So this would be a good tool for that. I'll try that out maybe when I get to clean out my engine bay, so that'll be another video. So yeah, so got the foamer, got the water injection, got the blower, then my Serrano Mobile Detailing Analan pet hair remover. So this will be another video when I get a chance to clean out a car full of pet hair. So thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you again on another video. Thanks guys. Hey Penny, what are you doing? What are you doing? Can't see you, it's too dark. Atta girl, there you are. Ready for another detailing video? You ready? That's a good girl. That's a good girl.